All right, everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride our 1984 Ford Econoline 150 van. Of course, you know, we just had another one of these cool vans come in and also just sold. Also owned by the same consignor, as you can see just by its cool and groovy look. However, we're going to the one we have here featuring an astonishing copper exterior. Of course, you can see it is a little bit different from the other one, having that cool little window in the back instead of all around the sides. Of course, this one was probably more of a rock star van than a delivery van. But even so, you will see it does feature the cool American racing style discontinued wheels. Still wish they kept them on a lot of newer vehicles or older style classics that are rebuilt to this day, but a lot of things are rare and specialty. But even so, featuring the white letter Indy 500 tires, you can see, like I said, it has a luggage rack. It has the little standing luggage rack ladder in the back, followed by a spare tire with that groovy little tire cover. But of course, like I said, if you ever break down, you always have a spare emergency tire, one of the best qualities of the Econoline van. But as we move on to the inside, you will see that it also is an automatic on the column, featuring also a little Sun Pro tachometer there on the steering column, but also having that tan and copper old school feel to it. Even so, you will see you have the twin bucket seats in the front, cool style cup holders up there in the front dash. You have an updated Pioneer stereo system. But of course, for your gauges, you do have the original style Ford Econoline van gauges, which all seem to work. And in fact, reading 27,000 miles from the odometer, that is pretty good, except all for the fact that a lot of these older cars are exempt. It is cool to see lower mileage on a car, since a lot of them are always higher in the 90s. But even so, you have your little fuse panel up there, have your little lights up there. Even so, look at all the spacious room you have in the back. Of course, if you did want to mount those seats down there to the back, that'd be fun too. But the fact of this van just being groovy, cool, and all that, even having the little shade over there on the left and right side of the windows, is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. Even so, right now, besides its looks, is running power, having the little 5.0 underneath the dash, or I should say underneath the motor. The reason I say underneath the dash is because these engines actually extended right to here. As you can see, you even see those little hooks right there that grab into the engine bay. Just because it's a smaller nose and front end doesn't mean that this thing had a lot of horsepower. But besides that, it does include power steering, power brakes, and all the fun functions you can get, even safety functions like a horn, and I believe this is the cruise control. Even so, right now, since we are coming to a stop, we can give you a little bit of a brake test. But even so, it is a fine little vehicle and an amazing style vehicle. But as for now, though, we are just going to get it turned around up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.